In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set recurring task end options in Google Tasks. Managing tasks efficiently can significantly boost your productivity, and Google Tasks offers great flexibility in creating regular task reminders. Today, let's walk through the process together, ensuring you can set up recurring tasks that suit your needs perfectly. First, let's start by heading over to Google Calendar. If you don't have it open yet, you can easily find Google Calendar by searching for it in your browser or accessing it through your Google Apps menu. Once you're in, you'll notice various icons on the left. Search for the task icon, which looks like a small blue circle with a pen. Clicking this icon will switch you from the calendar view to Google Tasks, allowing us to manage our task list effortlessly. Now that you're in Tasks, let's move on to selecting the task you want to set recurring options for. Browse through your task list and identify which task needs to be scheduled regularly. Once you've made your choice, click on the task to open its details. With the task details visible, look for the repeat icon. It typically resembles two arrows forming a circle. Clicking on this icon will bring up options for setting the recurrence pattern. This is where Google Tasks shines, letting you tailor the task frequency to your exact needs. On the screen, you'll see the repeats every shows field, which is where you specify how often the task should recur. Enter the desired number and then select the appropriate time unit: days, weeks, months, or even years. This flexibility means you can tailor your schedule to match your specific requirements, whether it's a daily follow-up or a biannual reminder. For example, if you want the task to repeat every 2 weeks, simply type 2 in the field and choose week as the time unit. If a monthly recurrence better suits your task, change the time unit to month. You also have the option to set it to a yearly reminder if that fits the bill. Once you've set the desired recurrence pattern, the final step is straightforward. Simply click Done to save your settings. This might seem like a small step, but it's crucial for ensuring that your new recurrence settings take effect and update in your task list. And that's it. You've just set up a recurring task in Google Tasks, enhancing your task management and potentially saving you a lot of time and mental energy down the road. Remember, the key to staying organized is consistency, and now you've got a helpful tool to keep you on track with minimal effort. Thanks for joining in today, and I hope you found this guide on creating recurring tasks in Google Tasks helpful. See you in the next video, where we'll continue to explore productivity tools that can make your life easier.